Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to run diagnostics on your HP ZBook Firefly 14. And you should begin by shutting down the laptop if it's currently on. Then wait for possibly up to half a minute to make sure it's fully off. Later on, press on the power button shortly and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on escape key on your keyboard. The HP logo should appear, then shortly disappear. Once it disappears, you can stop repeatedly pressing on escape and wait until it goes into a selection menu. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. The power button and the escape key. The HP logo has disappeared, so I can feel free to simply wait. It may take half a minute as well. After you hear a beep, you'll be right here. Now press on F2 on your keyboard, you'll go into System Diagnostics, and here you can select what to test. You can test the processor, the memory, storage, power, or system board or keyboard. I'm gonna test the memory maybe, and it says it's 1 hour. I'm not sure about that. If I really want it, I don't think I want it. But let's try finding something quicker so you can see the... oh yeah, that's gonna be quick. It's passed. Okay. And that's basically it for this test. You could also do a CPU stress test. It says 15 to 30 minutes. I don't want that. I'm gonna go back. But yeah, there's quite a few things that you can test, of course. Feel free to... Okay, I have no storage installed. That's crazy. Yeah, feel free to do whatever tests you need, and if it passes it, then it's great. And that's all for this video. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.